Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. You join me today on a dry but very windy day. Apart from that cloud at the top there, it does look rather black, and I think it's time to get home before I get wet. Alright guys, I'll see you after the intro. So guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to my channel, it is absolutely amazing to have you along. If you like what you see, please click that subscribe button. It just helps in every way. If you're not new to my channel, then it's great to have you along. So, just finished work. Today's date is Thursday the 7th of April, and I'm having to commute on the bike because the car's in for its service, as in 2 weeks to the day, on the 21st, myself and Kaylee will be heading up to John O'Groats to start our event. So I thought, get the car in, get a fresh service on the car, and we're good to go. But obviously it meant today I needed to commute on the bike, so not a drama. Don't mind commuting on the bike anyway. Coventry's Ring Road. I am 99% sure that when they designed this ring road, whoever it was mortal drunk. Either that, or, well, 99% of people just don't know how to use this road properly. We went out onto Motovloguk UK's subs ride out, got home, whatever I'd recorded, corrupt. I was honestly just can't win lately. So it's either audio issues or corrupt SD cards. Now, if I've managed to salvage any footage from Motovloguk UK, because I put a new SD card in after I took a little bit of footage, I might be able to save that. If that's there, have a quick view of that now. It is freezing out there today. It's about -1, -2 at the moment. So what we're doing today, well, obviously I don't think the camera's going to work out there with the current temperatures, so I need to go get fuel. Then I'm on my way to meet Simon, Mr. Moist Decoy, hopefully Crazy Legs on the bike, Fasty Rides, and Motovlog UK for his subs ride out.
You're up for eight. Well, you've actually got your camera on this time.
Oh, that's your intro dance. I'll put that at the intro. This is a professional at work. So yeah, Motovlog UK, Dave, I would just personally like to thank you for a great day out. It was great to meet some new faces. It was great to meet up with some old faces. A great day out with the likes of Fasty Rides, Neil, Crazy Legs in a car, Mr. Auto Bright himself, Dale, and Brumtown Rider, Mr. Moist Decoy, Moisty, what a name that is, Moist Decoy, just gets you wet thinking about it, don't it? And everyone else who turned up, I think in total, I can't remember if it was 14 or a few more, but some new faces, some stalkers. All in all, a great day out. Not been down this road on my bike in a long time. So guys, once again, if you've enjoyed what you watched, or if you enjoy any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I think I'm 18 subscribers off the 200 mark. Please, 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 let's get to that 200 mark soon. Obviously when this video comes out, it'll probably be, it's 2 weeks to the day today that we start we head to the start point. But then it's when this video comes out, it'll probably be a week. Again, we're still open if you want to help out or jump on climbs or anything like that. I do need to give a great shout out to an old military friend of mine who has jumped on the Scarfell Pike night climb. So Griff, if you do watch this video, mate, thank you very much for jumping on that with me. Without you, mate, we probably wouldn't have been able to do the climb, because I won't climb at night on my own. Other than that, guys, take it easy, and I hope to see you out there.